All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is Handyman for another, I guess, how-to whatnot. We got this mower right here. This is an older mower I had. Still run good, everything. Got to be serviced and a few other things done to it. Anyway, meantime, I'm going to get this girl here a test one that I got straightened out the other day. But I'm going to see if these tires are fit. So that's what we're doing, making sure the kids know how to do this safely. What I did is I went ahead and jacked everything up. That mower, I got this one side up so I can show you exactly what I did. Usually you can hook it right under there, but that being loose, like I said, needed to service everything. I put it a little bit further under the mower on top of a block of wood to get it up just enough to get it off the ground. I already broke the lug nuts and loose and everything to kind of speed this video up. So that's what we got working on now. Like I said, did this mower over here. I identically got it propped up, and hopefully they don't go anywhere while I get this done right quick. But y'all hang on a second. We're gonna see how far we can get those good tires off of that mower and put them on the other mower. So let's get to it. I didn't bring my air with me this time. Usually that's a hang up right there. You get stuck a little bit, don't want to come out, screw back the other way just enough to catch a couple of threads, and then you can come off with it. Same thing as the other one. Get them as far to the end as you can, and what we're gonna do is, I guess, just swap these two out, make sure everything fit, and I guess you guys get the gist of it from there to make sure if it's gonna function properly the way it needs to, or we're gonna just have to get some new tires for this other one. All right, we got that one off safely. Got make sure we got all our nuts. There's all four of them right there. Put them in there, we can keep up with them. Move that out the way. That really goes on the other side, I guess. They're not directional. I don't reckon. We'll take a look at them. But either way, or we can test them for fitment to make sure it works. Set those out the way, don't lose them. I got this thing chopped, but at the same time, it's kind of holding. I don't want it to roll. I'm trying to find something I can kind of keep pressure on the front, keep this thing from moving forward. There we go. Stick a tire in between the two. This one actually looks like a little taller, to close to the same. And they're about equal, so they should go. Let's see. Set that out the way. Oh yeah. Let's go. Slow down sometime. do is tighten 2 bolts. That's looking pretty good. Let you guys look and see what we got going on clearance wise. That's looking pretty good. Nice gap in between there. Shouldn't have any interference whatsoever. Clear over there. Actually better fit than the others were. Look how close that tire was right there compared to this side. Guess the rim's a little bit better offset, a little bit wider. That should get the job done right there. So we're gonna leave it right there for right now, ladies and gentlemen. You get the gist of it. We're gonna do the same thing with the other side, get this thing leveled up, and she should be ready to rock and roll. I can get another set of tires and swap them over. Meantime, I just stick them on there to be able to move that thing around, get it serviced and whatnot. And like I said, been a good mower. Okay, we got a few dollars for that. Like I said, wasn't running. And like I said, carb clean, fired right up, 2 years worth of service with a little bit of maintenance, and she was good to go and been good to me. And we're gonna try to, like I said, keep it going as long as possible. We got another issue with on the left side drive gear on there, same one that tired off with. So we're gonna tackle that another day too. Meantime, like I said, we're gonna get some good tires and stuff on her, and we're gonna show you what she does to a yard tomorrow after we get these blades sharpened up tonight. Just like I showed you in the other video, we're gonna use the same little new tool we got and save some more money on this mower, sharpen up some brand new blades that's already on there. But like I said, cut the other day, when you're doing landscape or whatever, you're actually supposed to sharpen your blades every morning or every evening after you get done, you know, so you be ready to go for the next morning. And that's just, like I said, people want that nice, sharp yard. It does make a difference, trust me. But that's all we got for right now. Y'all see what we got going on. And we're going to knock this other side out before it get dark. And we'll get back with you guys when she finished up. Have a good night.